What's up guys, it's your boy John. We are back again here with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the JOGON V2's side skirts. Now there's a very long piece, comes with the hardware, and you can just see right here. It looks very beautiful right here. Dry carbon, pre-pregged, and lightweight and strong. Now if you are familiar with the vents kind of looking like this, so this goes on your front fender and it kind of mimics, gives it the airflow, it makes it a lot wider. You can see the vents of the car. So if you look at the HRC concept, it's kind of what it's based off of. Then you have this nice clean design going all the way to the back. And the way these things connect is pretty simple too, just 2 bolts. And then you mount using the OEM on the front, and then you self-tap the bottom ones right here. So it's pretty self-explanatory install. The hardware you get to connect these pieces, you have 2 little circles right here, 2 little circles here, and you can just mount them to secure them to be one long piece, which is great. And let me just show you the closer look at these pieces because they're very beautiful. All right, so nope. Like fiberglass or anything, it's carbon fiber through and through, so even the parts you don't see is carbon fiber, which is really nice. And it's super strong, and it's so lightweight. But yeah, let me get this part installed so you can see one long side skirt. All right, got them screwed, and now to just put them in the car. Nice one piece, nice long skirt. All right, so we have the skirt right here, and I have the OEM look right here. Now, those who have been on my channel know I used to have a side skirt right here. I still have it. I just want to try the JOGON and have the full JOGON kit. And I'm just gonna mock up. Another thing I added right here is I added some padding where the side skirt will touch the paint. So I have a little, kind of like a rubber foam. Not rubber, but it's a foam. Kind of see it here. So when it's pressed up on here, it's gonna be okay. So make sure you wipe this area too, make sure there's no dust. But you can kind of get the gist of how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna mount it. I'm gonna need 2 hands, obviously. All right, so how do you install these side skirts? Well, you remove the 1 screw here. There's 2 clips. Now this is what I'm gonna do. You don't have to do it. I'm gonna actually have the screws that are supplied, and I'm gonna have it screwed into these clips too. That way it has something to bite to. And then you have one of the OEM screws in the bottom right here that will match up with this hole. This hole, I don't know what it's for. Other than this one, there's a pop clip to do. You kind of use these tools right here to pop this clip out. All right, with that push clip in, it's kind of being held by just the pressure of the push clip, and I'm just gonna line everything up and button it down. All right, just like that, it's installed. You got 6 bolts, and then you have 2 here are screws. So that's 8, 9, 10, and then a clip. So, and it reuses the bottom Phillips head, the other one, the very bottom of the side skirt, and then that pop clip. So 3 fasteners there. But you can see how it looks here. And when I bolt this thing down, it does flare, slightly gives a small gap right here. That's why me putting that little foam piece right here to really wrap. See how snug it is right here? It kind of cleans up any gap, helps with any of the gaps. So I guess I would recommend anybody to do that too. You can kind of see right here too. So it just helps clean it up, because remember, when you're screwing it right here, it's gonna naturally wanna move out a little bit. You could put 3M tape right there too, so that's another suggestion if you wanted to. But you can kind of see right there. You can kind of see the vent right here. So the vents, there is one down here. See right here, you can see my flashlight. And there's one up here as well. I'm gonna do both sides and then get you some glamour shots. All right, so that concludes it. The JOGON lip kit. You got the front, got the side, and you got the rear spats as well. Now what I do like is everything flows so coherently. I mean, it should, because it's the same kit. So it was thought out to be very similar. The winglet on the front lip kicks it over there. Kind of expands the same lines as you can see right here. But then after that, it flows straight and no winglet on the back. So I do kind of like that design. It's different from my other one. And you got the function pass-through vents right there, which is kind of cool. Here on this side too. So I'm just gonna wrap it up and show some glamour shots, but fitment has been great. Install was pretty easy.